Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up face unlock on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03t and now you want to set up your face unlock on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just scroll down and look for password and security, tab on it. Then select face from here and then just enter your phone password. Then select start enrollment to add a face. Tab on it, and here you have to add your face which you want. After the process, you just have to tap on OK, and here you'll get some settings that you want. Here's the screen unlock setting. If you want to use your face to unlock your screen, you have to enable the first setting. And there's the second one, which is privacy and app encryption. If you want to use your face for your app locks, you must have to enable the second settings. Here's the animation style, what which will appear on your lock screen while scanning your face. So that's how you can easily set up your face unlock on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.